Alrighty, what is going on, woodworkers, leatherworkers, crafters, DIYers, cosplayers, makers, all short, shapes, sizes, makes, and models? Ooh, that was slick. Today, it's another gorgeous day outside. I don't know why I keep doing the spinny thing. It's just fun. But, I'm about to fall over. Oh, man. But today, I know I said this video would be upgrades for the shop, but something really cool happened. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I don't know what you're doing with your life. But I made this wallet a couple weeks ago for you guys when I upload this. And something really cool happened. I was planning on doing shop upgrades, but then three people DM me and asked for one. So yeah, I gotta make me some more of these wallets. So I figured I'd bring you along for the ride. It's really cool. It's really big for me because it's my first commission. You know, like that's crazy. This is my first time getting paid for doing stuff. So let's get started. All right. So first things first, I'm gonna cut out my patterns that I just made on some basic standard printer paper. Then I'm gonna trace those to leather and then cut those out. I'm gonna make sure to leave the back pieces oversized though. Then that'll just help me with gluing and making sure everything's nice and flush later on. Next up, I did all the edge work on my pockets and got them nice and ready to be glued up. Alright, now that the pockets are all ready to go, I'm going to contact cement them down to the back piece, making sure to keep them lined up with the lines I drew from the pattern, not the actual edges. Then I'm going to use a stitching chisel to punch all my stitching holes, and then I'm just going to stitch it up. And it's pretty much done. Here it is. It has two card pockets on the right here. It's just one stacked on the other. And a nice big cash pocket. I still need to dye this. But, you know, I don't need to show you how to do that. I did, however, soak the leather all the way before I folded it. So it gets a nice crease without stretching it out too much. And that's really all there is to it. If you're looking to get into leathercraft, leatherworking, this is a great project to start. It's nice, it's simple, it's easy. You can knock it out in a couple of hours if you really put your mind to it. And you really don't need that many tools. If you really don't care too much about appearance, really all you need is the leather, a box knife, some needles, a thread, and a stitching chisel. You don't even really need a stitching groover or an edge beveler. Now, they make it look prettier, but they're not totally necessary. So with that, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or you need help figuring out how to do something, please let me know down in the description. If you have any suggestions on other projects I could do, leave that down there too. Or you could also send me an email or DM me on Instagram. If you want to see cool behind the scenes photos, updates, see what I'm working on, go check me out there at Instagram. That will also be down below. It's a really cool place to see what I'm working on. I get to see what you guys are working on. It's awesome. I love it. If you want to see how I made this awesome leather chest piece for Pirate Batman, I still got to do its logo there. Please check that video out, like right here. I'll have the whole playlist. If you want to see the latest project I've been working on, it'll be right here. And please do not forget, subscribe right here. Check that notification bell thingy. So you get notified when I upload my next video. I'm going to be having a whole bunch of stuff coming out, so please check that out.